False. We always capture our memories with smartphones, be it Android or iPhone. But what if our data like photos or videos are deleted due to accidental deletion, system error, iOS upgrade or downgrade, virus attack, jailbreak, or someone else deletes them by mistake? Well, in this situation we will surely try to recover them, but then question comes to mind: how can I recover deleted data from iPhone, and how iPhone data recovery works? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you all in this video. Watch the video full and follow the steps by downloading the iPhone data recovery software from the links in description and pin comment to recover deleted data from iPhone. Hey folks, Mathfucker from WMRegion is back with another data recovery tutorial, and today I wanna show you all how to recover deleted data from iPhone without backup. False. Whenever we delete data like photos or videos from iPhone, they are actually hidden to view and are moved to recently deleted, but will get permanently deleted after 30 days, or it may take up to 40 days. So the faster we act, the more chances we have to restore deleted photos from iPhone for free. But what if our photos or videos are permanently deleted and are not found in recently deleted? Well, in this situation we will require a professional iPhone data recovery software, and here comes FonePaw iPhone data recovery software. FonePaw iPhone data recovery is a reliable iPhone data recovery software that can recover deleted data from iOS devices, iTunes and iCloud. It supports more than 30 files like photos, videos, messages, contacts and much more. So no matter how you have lost your iPhone data, FonePaw can let you recover deleted files from iPhone without any loss, as it is also compatible with latest Apple devices along with latest iOS versions. Simply follow 3 simple steps to recover deleted data from iPhone using FonePaw. Wow, that seems really easy. Let's give it a try, and for that click on free download. It starts downloading, and once FonePaw iPhone data recovery software free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have FonePaw iPhone data recovery software with all its features and capabilities. From here we can recover data from iOS devices. Next we have recover data from iTunes backup file, and next is recover data from iCloud. In the end we have more tools like FonePaw iPhone system recovery and FonePaw iPhone transfer. False. We can do so much with FonePaw iPhone data recovery software, but today I wanna show you all how to recover deleted data from iPhone without backup, and for that here we are back on FonePaw iPhone data recovery software. Now click on recover from iOS devices. Next, connect the iOS device to computer by USB. Once connected, here it shows the iPhone model with device name. Now to recover deleted messages, contacts, photos or videos, click on Start Scan. It starts scanning, and within a few seconds it starts showing up data from iPhone. First, do not disconnect the iPhone with the computer during data recovery process and let scanning get completed. Once done, here it shows photos from camera roll. From here we can also filter photos which show deleted only. Now here are the photos that were deleted from my iPhone. We also have messages, contacts, call history, camera roll, app photos, calendar, voice memos, Safari bookmarks, Safari history. Let's recover deleted data from iPhone, and for that click on recover. Now from here we can select the folder where we want to save recovered data. Select it desktop. First we can also tick this box if we want to convert HEIC files to JPEG format. Let's simply recover data, and for that click on recover. It starts recovering, and within a few seconds data recovery completes and it opens up the folder containing recovered data. Now we can browse through to look for recovered data. Here we have photos from the camera roll. See, all of them are fully recovered and are in their original size. We can also look for call history and messages and more. Wow, was not that amazing? Well, it's just insane. Now you may ask, is FonePaw iPhone data recovery software free and safe to use? Well, it's 100% safe and offers high success rate. The best part, we can scan and preview data for free, but to recover files we will require plans. So now let's talk about FonePaw iPhone data recovery software pricing plans. And for that, here we are back on official website. Now click on buy now. Here we have different pricing plans that you can choose as per your requirement. First, I will highly recommend you to try out FonePaw iPhone data recovery software if you are looking to recover deleted data from iPhone, and if you want to, find the links in description and pin comment. Also, stay tuned for step-by-step tutorial to know how to recover deleted data from Android phone using FonePaw Android data recovery software. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also, share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to development business, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Got a second-hand iPhone that is updated to latest iOS 16.3 update and is stuck on iPhone lock to owner. Now you are looking to bypass iCloud activation lock. How to recover lost files from Android phone? Well, that's exactly what I am going to share with you all in this video.